Hello friends, how are you doing? And in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can change ringtone or how you can set custom ringtone in Realme GT 5G or Realme GT Master Edition. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest videos. So to set custom ringtone or change ringtone in Realme GT 5G, simply first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.